Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Kayak Fishing Scotland. It's been quite some time since I've done the last video. Probably over 2 months. Just had a busy time in my life, moving house, etc. And this is the first trip, really, in 2 months. We're on Loch Etive, which is on the northwest of Scotland, about several miles away from Oban, and as you can see, it's beautiful scenery. It's November 2019, and the temperature this morning travelling up was 4.5 degrees, minus 4.5 degrees this morning, so bitterly cold. So yeah, hoping to catch a few species, whiting, maybe codling, possible chance of spur dog or thornback rays, so quite a bit of different species, maybe some pollock as well. So we'll see how it goes, but beautiful morning, winter's morning, and as you can see, frost on the ground, hard frost overnight, and some snow in the mountains in the background. So stay tuned guys, and hopefully get you some action today, since I've not been fishing for such a long time. Stay tuned. Yeah, I found a little spot here on Loch Etive. As you can see, I'm about 15 foot off the cliff and I'm in 50 feet of water. I've had a couple of little knocks. I'm fishing with a little hawkeye and a little bit of squid bait, fresh squid, or I should say frozen squid. Out here. So how I'm fishing here is I'm just on the bottom, fishing a little paternoster rig. I'm actually getting hammered with baby spur dog, and no longer is it down and the line's going, but I'm actually after some decent whiting. I've had one already, just sitting here anchored, but it's a bit poor today, but really it's just good to be out. Must be the smallest spur dog ever. Anyway, it's my first ever spur dog on Loch Etive. I'm just getting plagued by baby spur dogs. Well guys, I think I'll call it a day. Not a very good trip, not much action to show you. Did have one or two codling, very small, and fishing at the salmon farm cages. I was just plagued with baby spur dog. I must have had about 10 of them, and every time I just dropped it down I was getting hit by spur dog. A couple of little whiting, and that's been about it. It's been absolutely cold as balls today. I think it's been about -4. Sun's going down and it's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So although there's not been much action, I hope you enjoyed the video guys, and stay tuned to the next episode on Kayak Fishing Scotland. Thanks again for watching.